Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Notion calendar to Apple Calendar using an easy method. While Notion doesn't offer a direct integration, there's a straightforward workaround. We'll explore a reliable third-party service that bridges this gap, allowing your Notion events to appear seamlessly in your Apple Calendar. This one-way sync ensures your schedule is always up to date without manual transfers. Let's get started and simplify your calendar management. The key to this connection lies in using an automation platform. Services like Make.com or Automate.io are excellent choices for this task. You'll set up a simple automation, often called a scenario or zap, that watches your Notion calendar database. When a new event is added in Notion, the automation springs into action, extracting the details, and then creating a new event directly in your Apple Calendar. It's a set-it-and-forget-it process. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that like button. Your support truly helps the channel. On another note, I have a quick recommendation for you, a fantastic book called The Simple Path to Wealth *. It's truly transformative for how you think about money and building financial independence. You can find the link to this book and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. First, sign up for your preferred automation service and link both your Notion and Apple Calendar accounts. Next, you'll create a new automation. Choose your Notion calendar database as the trigger, then define which Notion properties, like event name and date, should map to your Apple Calendar event fields. Finally, run a test to confirm everything is working perfectly. Once confirmed, your Notion events will automatically populate your Apple Calendar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.